If you're noticing lingering odors or poor performance from your dishwasher, it's a clear sign that it's time to give it a thorough cleaning. You might be asking yourself, how to clean dishwasher deep clean? Well, don't worry. I'm here to walk you through the steps to get your dishwasher back in top shape, ensuring your dishes come out sparkling clean every time. To start, it's important to address why regular deep cleaning is necessary. Over time, food particles, grease, soap scum, and even mineral deposits can build up inside your dishwasher. This can lead to unpleasant odors, reduced cleaning performance, and even clogs that prevent proper drainage. Fortunately, deep cleaning your dishwasher is a straightforward process and can be done with a few simple supplies. First, empty your dishwasher completely, removing any racks and utensils. This gives you full access to the interior and ensures you can clean every surface thoroughly. Once everything is out, it's time to inspect the dishwasher's spray arms. Sometimes, food debris can clog the holes in the spray arms, reducing water flow and cleaning effectiveness. If you notice any blockages, use a toothpick or small brush to clear them out. Next, you're ready to move on to the most important part, cleaning the filter. Most dishwashers have a removable filter that can be easily accessed at the bottom of the machine. Take it out and give it a good rinse under warm water to remove any debris. If the filter is particularly dirty, you can soak it in warm soapy water for 10-15 minutes to loosen any grime. Now to answer your question, how to clean dishwasher deep clean? A great method is to use white vinegar. Place a dishwasher safe cup filled with white vinegar on the top rack of your empty dishwasher. Run the dishwasher on the hottest cycle possible. The vinegar will help break down grease, soap scum, and mineral deposits, leaving the interior fresh and clean. After the vinegar cycle, the next step is optional but highly effective. Sprinkle a cup of baking soda on the bottom of the dishwasher and run a short hot cycle. Baking soda will help to eliminate any remaining odors and provide a nice, fresh scent. Finally, give your dishwasher a quick wipe down. Use a damp cloth to clean the door, seals, and the edges of the dishwasher where grime can accumulate. Pay close attention to the rubber seals around the door, as they can trap moisture and lead to mold growth. Clean them gently with a soft cloth or sponge to avoid damaging the seals. Now that you know how to clean dishwasher deep clean, try to incorporate this into your regular maintenance routine. Doing this every 1 to 3 months will ensure your dishwasher remains in excellent working condition, extends its lifespan, and keeps your dishes sparkling. A little maintenance goes a long way in preventing issues down the road. So take care of your dishwasher, and it will take care of you.